Removing your background pictures just so you can design your thumbnail can be sometimes quite challenging, most especially when the app you want to use in removing this background requires a paid version, a premium or a pro version, just so you can have access to background removals. But what if I told you that you can actually remove those backgrounds without even actually having to pay a dime? And now, if you're someone who uses Canva, for example, even though it's one of the best editing apps, you're going to notice that removing the background requires you to move to that particular paid version. That moment you're about to click on a particular image you want to use so you can remove the background, you see something like this asking you to pay and upgrade to the pro version. Sometimes it leaves you a little bit devastated because you don't want to pay all of that money just to remove backgrounds. And then you have to now go and start looking for apps that will help you to remove backgrounds. Unfortunately, some of these apps don't do a good job. They'll remove these backgrounds for you for free, but then you'll still see some patches of the background left on the image. But then there's this particular app I'm going to be showing you guys, and this app will help you remove the background of your picture and give you a crystal clear job. Now I'll show you how you're going to remove the background and how you're going to use that particular image you've removed the background to design a wonderful thumbnail without blemishes and patches. Now we'll be needing two apps for this particular thing. You're going to be needing the Photoroom app and the Canva app. And hey my loves, welcome again to my channel. If you're new here, this is Olive, and on this channel we share tips on how you can turn your passion into income, how you can also make money online using your YouTube channel. Let's get into it. So guys, here is what you have to do. Once you get your mobile phone, you go to Play Store. That is if you're using an Android. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your Apple Store. Once you come to the Play Store, you search for this app, Photoroom app. You search for Photoroom. Once you search for Photoroom, this is what the app looks like. Now, I already have this app installed in my phone, so I don't need to install it again, although it asks me to update, which I don't want to do right now. So once you click on install and the app gets installed in your phone, you open it up and set it up. As for me, I will have to go back to the app on my phone since I already have it installed on my phone. Now I'll click on this app, the Photoroom app, and wait for it to load. Make sure you have a mobile connection that is actually strong. Now once this page is up, wait for it to load properly. Now you're going to see something like this. You're going to see a white background, black, transparent, and original. All these things are background styles. If you want a white background, you click on this white one. If you want a black background for your picture, you click on black. But we want a transparent background for the image we need. All we have to do now is now click on transparent. Once you click on transparent, it will take you to a place where you have to insert the image you want to use. Now these are the latest images from my gallery, but if you don't want to click from here, you have to click on your gallery. Once you click on your gallery, it takes you straight to the folder so that it will be easier for you to locate the particular picture you want to use based on the folders. So I have a particular folder where I want to go, and this is the folder. Once I click on the folder, this is the image I would want to use. I'll click on the image I want to remove the background. Once I click on it, it is already removing the background for me automatically. Picture is there, the background has been removed. Now, but if you look down, you're going to see this Photoroom watermark attached to it. And now, if you want to remove this watermark, they will require you to pay for the pro version. But there is a way around this. You can always maneuver this particular thing. What you have to do now is to click on the image itself and then move it up a little, adjust it up a little so that it stays away from that Photoroom watermark down there. Once you've done this, you've adjusted it, you click on done. Once you click on done, you click on export. It has exported. Click on save to gallery. Once you've clicked on save to gallery, click on done again for the last time. Now once you're done with this, leave the app. Once you leave the app, this is the time where you have to use the Canva to make the thumbnail you want to do. Okay, now you open the Canva app. Okay, now this is actually one of the designs I have, my recent designs I have in my phone. But now let's experiment with one of these designs. Let me make a copy of this design. Okay, now let me make a copy of this my previous design because I would want to alter this design. Make a copy. Now I've made a copy of this design. Now I'll have to tap on that image, the design I want to work on right now. Okay, this is the image that we actually want to replace with our current image that we just removed the background. So what we have to do right now is you tap on the screen, the white space, click on gallery. It will take you to the list of your recently added images. And this is the particular image you just removed the background. So we have to click on this, add to page. Once we click on add to page, it will appear. It might show you a black background. It might show you a white background. It might remove the background automatically. But whatever thing it shows, don't be worried, don't be bothered. So right now, you remove the old picture. This one. Once you remove the old picture, you click on this new one that you just imported, move it to where you want it to be, and increase the size. After you increase the size, we move down to this place that is showing the watermark. That's Photoroom watermark. Now, we have to crop off that watermark. That was why I said before you export the picture, move up the image a little bit higher so that it doesn't interfere with the watermark when you want to remove it or when you want to crop it off. So now you have to drag from here and crop off the watermarked region. After you've cropped it up, the watermark is no longer there, guys. Now it's time to adjust the picture to the size we want it to be. Okay, we want it like this. So we now change the text of this one. How to remove your background picture. Let's reduce the size so you can see what we are working on. How to remove your background picture. Let's delete this YouTube icon. For free. You move around it till you get what you want to get. Okay, and here we have it. How to remove your background picture for free. I wouldn't want to go into details on how to customize your thumbnail because the main purpose of this video is actually to show you how you can remove your background pictures for free. In one of my videos, I'll be showing you how you can start from the scratch to design a thumbnail for your videos. Once you're done, you click here and the picture gets saved. Now, once we are done, open up your gallery. You go to the Canva folder that will be in your phone. Click on it and say, and here we go. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and also share to save a soul. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. And turn on the post notifications so that you can always get notified whenever I make a new video. We will make this money together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.